Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're here to talk about unusual options activity. Man, this lamp makes me look creepy. Alright, yo, what is up? So, yeah, I want to talk about the VIX because this video didn't get a lot of views, and this one was a great trade. And, you know, hedging your portfolio, using the volatility, buying options on the volatility index futures worked out really well. So, yeah, let's check this one out. So, as you can see here, the VIX, the volatility index, was up 19% today, guys. So that is key. You know, the rest of the market was crap. Everything was way down. But you see here, the volatility index, the VIX was up 19%. So I said we were in these January 20th. We were in these. I think I was in the 25-40 call spread, and I took some profits in that, and then I just rolled it up to these January 20th 35 strike calls, and we'll see what happens with those, guys. If you haven't watched that other video, go check it out, because using volatility is a great way to hedge your portfolio. It's all around great. So I just wanted to bring that up, make you guys aware. Hedging is really important, and you can lose your money, or you can make a lot of money, but it's totally worth it in my opinion. So let's talk about some trades today. AMD ointment. I'm just joking. This is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. I meant A&D ointment. All right. So AMD, yeah, Advanced Micro Devices, the company that's eating Intel's lunch with Lisa Su, the head of the reins. Never bet against Lisa Su. All right, so let's check it out here. As you can see here, we have a position April 100 calls. Here's some good volume. Pretty big open interest, but we will check these out. There's a lot of buying in AMD. So we'll show you guys how to do this. Remember, every option contract is 100 shares. So yeah, here you go. Here's these April 100 calls. This is, all these I think are the same person. It's super hard to tell here, but this is a huge order. I think if you add all these up, it's like a $1.5 million order. So I like these calls. We are in these ones. Advanced Micro Devices, Semiconductors. They just bought a company. They just bought Xilinx. They just bought Xilinx, so that diversifies their business into automotive, semiconductors, chips. So AMD is mostly computers, PCs, and stuff. Let's take a look at the chart. So as you can see here, AMD is a really strong chart. They reported a great quarter here, and this is the date that they announced that the deal with Xilinx, and shareholders did not like it, but I bought AMD on that news because I think that is a great acquisition, and you never bet against Dr. Lisa Su, the head of the reins at AMD, the OG. All right, so yeah, great stock. I like this one. All right, next one is Spirit Aerosystems. Now this one had a honker of a day. This one was crap today. But as you can see here, we have a position in these January 2022 calls. These 40 strike calls. There was some buying in these 40 strike calls and these 45 strike calls. We were able to pick those out, and if you see here, we'll scroll down to these 40 ones, and right here, as you can see here, the price is a little different here, 890 versus 880, but that's at the exact same time down to the second. So I think that this order is together. I think this person placed this order for 800, even if it was two people placing 400. I mean, that's still a $360,000 trade, but those added together is like a $820,000 order. So I like those calls. We're in those ones. Spirit Aerosystems. This is a aerospace company. They do OEM manufacturing for airplanes. So as you can probably know, this stock has been really beaten up, and it kind of follows the chart of Boeing. If you look at Boeing, it kind of follows the chart here. And right here, this is a golden cross, everyone. If you don't know what that is, this is the 200-day moving average, and this purple line is the 50-day moving average. When the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200-day moving average. That's a golden cross. That's what we call it, the golden cross. And that's just a sign of momentum building. So that was another reason why I jumped into this one. I like the chart. It looks like it has some really nice support at this level here, this 36.66. Same with this 36.86 up here. As you can see here, it literally bounced. It literally came up through that level, came back, bounced down, came up, and today it literally bounced off that level as well. So I like these calls. I'm not sure how much lower this thing is going to go, but if it does go lower, I'm going to be adding to it because it's all the way out in January 2022. But if it does break through this support here, you know, just take it across here, this support, I might get a little nervous. But, you know, I'll just be patient with it, and if it keeps falling, hopefully add to it. Because this thing's pre-pandemic high is like 75. And I mean, we're giving ourselves plenty of freaking time here. I mean, this thing used to be a $100 stock. So, I'm not saying it'll get to 100, but I'm trying to play it up to 70, definitely, for this January 2022. But if I get a nice profit in these, I'm probably just going to take it off the table like I always do and maybe look to get back in. I don't know. It's just, you have to figure out what works for you guys. And yeah, you know, you just have to, you know, it comes with experience, figuring out what works for you. And you know, if you want to take it off the table when it's a long-term one, or if you want to just hold it and see what happens. All right, so I forgot to give you guys the disclaimer. Always remember, guys, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. All right, guys, thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. Make sure to comment, leave a like. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, make sure to like so we can get this content out to a lot of different people, and we can create a community here of traders, and we can all share unusual options activity that we all find, and we can all make some profit, because that's what we're here to do. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time. Happy New Year.